Morning students, in this class we will discuss about the reduction reactions of carbonyl compounds. The reduction reactions carried out in two steps. First one is a carbonyl compounds, that is aldehydes and ketones converted to alcohols. Second step is aldehydes and ketones converted to hydrocarbons. Let us discuss one by one. First one is carbonyl compounds, that is aldehyde and ketones reduced to alcohols. We have already learnt that both aldehydes and ketones can be easily reduced to primary and secondary alcohol respectively. First one, aldehydes are reduced to primary alcohols. Aldehydes, some examples of aldehyde, common examples are acetaldehyde. What is the formula for acetaldehyde? CH3 CH double bond O. This reaction is carried out with hydrogen in presence of some common reducing agent like metal hydrides. Metal hydrides, say some examples of metal hydrides: lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride. These are the common reducing agent. By using common reducing agent, that is a lithium aluminum hydride, the lithium aluminum hydride reduces the carbonyl group to primary alcohol. Primary alcohol, aldehyde CHO, it will be converted to CH2OH. Primary alcohol oda general format CH2OH. CH3 CHOH. It is ethanol. This one is ethanol. First reactions, aldehyde are reduced to primary alcohol. Aldehyde, acetaldehyde is reduced, or it will be carried out with hydrogen in presence of common reducing agent such as lithium aluminum hydride or sodium borohydride. So lithium aluminum hydride reduces C double bond O carbonyl group and it will be converted to primary alcoholic group. Second one is ketones are reduced to secondary alcohol. Acetone or propanone, CH3 C double bond O CH3 is acetone. Acetone is a common name. Its IUPAC name is a propanone. It will be carried with hydrogen in presence of common catalyst, common reducing agent, sodium borohydride. So sodium borohydride reduces C double bond O group. It will be converted to secondary alcohol. CH3 CHOH CH3 isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Upper first conversion converted to alcohols. Aldehydes and ketones can be easily reduced to primary and secondary alcohol. In this reaction is carried with hydrogen and in presence of some common